Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Creative Juice with Alex. And on this channel, we'll talk about everything digital, how you can grow your business and make money online, how you can grow your business and make money online. And on today's episode, if you like this YouTube channel, subscribe, like, share the like button, share to your friends so you can have an update of every. So for today's video, I'll be walking us through a step-by-step process on how you can register a free domain name for your business. We understand that a lot of startups, a lot of business owners find it very difficult um, registering a free domain name online. You can register a free domain name online. But before walking you through the step-by-step process, I'll definitely want to break a couple of things down when it comes to registering a free domain name online for your business online. First, I want to talk about the domain name. What is a domain name? A domain name is a unique identifier for a website. It is typically a combination of letters and numbers, and it is used to find a specific website among the billions of websites on the internet. Simply put, I don't want to bore you guys with a lot of this grammar and all that. Simply put, a domain name is what is used to identify your brand or business online. It is a name. And secondly, why do you need a domain name? Why you need a domain name? Like I said, a domain name is a unique identifier for your website. It is a name used to identify your brand online. It allows customers to find your site on the internet, and it can help build your brand credibility. Everybody wants, when it comes to brand credibility online, it helps you build a brand credibility. Now I'm going to Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Basically, as you can see, we already signed up for the website, which is freenom.com. After signing up on this website, I created an account on this website. So I'm going to walk us through a process where we can have our own domain. And our own domain definitely means that, like I rightly explained, reasons why you should have a domain name. What's a domain name? What makes it different from what other people are doing? So first, we'll definitely want to register a domain. I already signed up, then I want to register a new domain. So in registering a new domain, I'm going to go to those services and search for a domain. Let's say I want to do Alex webinar. So Alex webinar. Then I'm going to search. After typing this into the search bar, I'm going to click check availability. So I'm going to click on this. So clicking on the check availability, we're going to check. The system is going to help us check which is available. Now you can see we have alexwebinar.tk, alexwebinar.ml, alexwebinar.ga. So I'm going to take two of this domain, select two, then I'll do a checkout. Then after clicking checkout, it's going to take you to a page where you have forward this domain, use a DNS. Forwarding the domain means if you want to forward this link to another link. Let's say, for instance, you have another landing page and you just want to use this URL to this link to customize the link to a particular landing page. You could use this for people to sign up. Then using a DNS. Using DNS means domain name server. You want to set up an IP address. I'm going to walk us through that in the next video that I'll be posting on my YouTube channel to walk us through a step-by-step process on how to set up a DNS server for this. It's a lot more technical, but this is a DIY, do-it-yourself process. So I want to select the period. I change the period from 3 months to 12 months. Then I click on continue. So after clicking on continue, it's going to take me to a checkout page. In this case, you have to click this box where you have I have read and agreed to terms and conditions. Then you complete your order. Clicking on completing your order is going to take you to the next page where you have, it's going to take you to the next page. Let's hold on a bit, it's taking a while to load up. Then you can see, thank you for your order. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. If you have any question about your order, please open the support ticket from your client area on this. So in this case, when you look at this case, your domain has already been registered. So we'll go to services to confirm to see if this name has already been added. Then we go to click on services, then we go to my domains. Then when you click on my domains, you can see we have a lot of domains that have been registered. You can see the domain here is active. So in a case where I want to point the domain name to another link, I will have to come to the manage domain, do some settings on this domain. Let's walk through this process. So going to this domain, go to management tools. I can do a URL forwarding. I can do name servers, then manage freenom DNS. I could change the DNS, which is the domain name server, point it to another server. I could create an A record and all of this. So I'm going to walk us through a step-by-step process in my next video. So if you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, share, so you have a notification on our next video when our next video is uploaded on this channel. Thank you very much. See you guys later.